So you just got a brand new XLR microphone, you plug it in and it's only coming out of one ear. Panic mode has just set in. Well, in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to fix that and get the microphone coming out both ears, no sweat, no problems. So it's such an easy fix. When I first found it out, oh god, it drove me crazy. So we're in Streamlabs OBS first. I'm going to show it in both Streamlabs OBS and OBS Studio. So we're going to start off with Streamlabs OBS. So you go to a whole new scene. So you go to sources, go to the plus sign, you click on the audio import capture and just rename it mic so you know what it is. And then when your device is there, what you want to click on is the name of your audio interface or mixer that you're using. My one is an old Tascam mixer from back in the day, my Rock Band days, so I'm going to click on that. So I've got that here, and as you can see here on the bar, it is only coming out of one ear, and obviously that's not what you want when your viewers are watching you. So what you're going to do, see where it says mixer there, you want to go over to the settings bar there, click on that, and then you look for your mic, and you see here where it says down mix to audio. You just want to click on down mix to audio, come off that, and boom, look, it's coming out both your ears now, all fun, all happy, hunky dory. So now we are in OBS Studio, so we're going to do it on OBS Studio here. So go to sources, add audio input capture, name this mic. Device, look for my old Tascam, gosh. And once again, as you can see, only coming out of one ear. That isn't what we want, so we have to go and fix that. So what we do is, you see this part here right there, click this little settings wheel, go to advanced audio properties, and then once again click on mono. Bada bee, bada bow. It's coming out both your ears. Now, also, I will mention this. Say, if you want to use any filters or anything on your microphone, you're going to want to hear your microphone back live. So there's a way to hear yourself back. See here, it says monitor off here. You can click either of these two, and what it will do is, you will be able to hear yourself back in your microphone on OBS, either of them. So you'll hear yourself back. I'll quickly just give you a go. So I can hear myself back. Cray cray. So as you can see, you can hear what your microphone is going to sound like to everybody else, which obviously is going to be very useful to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very helpful to anyone who had this problem and didn't know what to do. I will be doing more videos like this in the future, so please stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.